Hey guys, I'm Mariko, and in my videos I'm going to teach you how to speak Japanese. I'm not going to be focusing too much on grammar, but more on what to say when you're in a particular situation. And since this is my first video, let's talk about introduction. So when we meet someone for the first time, we say hajimemashite. Those of you who are familiar with martial arts may know the word hajime, which means to start. And hajimete means for the first time. So hajimemashite is kind of like a polite way of saying nice to meet you for the first time. If you want to tell them your name at the same time, just add it after hajimemashite. So if your name is John Smith, you're gonna say hajimemashite, John Smith desu. Or depending on the situation, you can say hajimemashite, John desu or hajimemashite, Smith desu. The one thing that a lot of Japanese learners tend to say or put in sentences a lot is watashi, which means I. But in Japanese, we don't use the word I as much as in other languages. It's definitely not wrong to say hajimemashite, watashi wa John Smith desu. But it sounds more natural if you just leave it out and say hajimemashite, John Smith desu. Okay, so brief recap. Nice to meet you, hajimemashite. Nice to meet you, I'm John Smith. Hajimemashite, John Smith desu. So that's it for today, and hope to see you next time.